About this item works with iOS 14.0 plus the phone controller retractable holder supports phones with lengths of 5.0-6.9 in. Works for iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Mini, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone X, iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 11, 7 Plus, 8 Plus, iPad, iPad Mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro, most arcade, MFi games, cloud gaming and etc. Works with Android 10.0 plus/PC. The Gamepad controller works with Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, S21, S20, S9, S9 Plus, S10, S10 Plus, Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, Galaxy Tab A, Galaxy Tab A8, Galaxy Tab S7, Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, Huawei MatePad, Oppo LG TCL, Google Tablet, and etc. Notice, phones that do not support MediaTek chips. Custom programming function M1/M2. The gaming controller has two back programming buttons with single or multiple programming modes. M1/M2 equals A plus B plus Y plus X plus L plus Z L plus R plus Z R plus L3 plus R3 plus D-pad. Custom programming keys to help improve the gaming experience and extend the life of the controller. Buttons support most hot games. Works with Call of Duty Mobile, COD, Apex Legends Mobile, Diablo Immortal, Genshin Impact, Elden Ring, Grand Theft Auto GTA 5, Battlefield, Resident Evil Village, Ark, Survival Evolved, The Forest, Cities, Skylines, Cyberpunk